Hello everyone, welcome back to today's session. If you dream of studying the data science at CMI, the Chennai Mathematical Institute, one of the India's most prestigious mathematical institution, then this video is for you. Let's break down the CMI data science entrance examination and the perfect preparation strategy in just 3 minutes. The CMI data science entrance is unique because it tests the mathematical thinking, not the memorization. The exam has two sections. Part A is the multiple choice questions from the mathematics like algebra, calculus, graphs, probability and statistics, the logical reasoning and puzzles. And part B, that is long answer question. This check the problem solving ability through the mathematical proofs, probability problems, algebraic reasoning and the logical deduction. CMI papers are unconventional. Your depth of thinking matters more than the formulas. Now, here is what you really need to master. Number one is the mathematics like functions, limits, derivatives, matrices, sequences, inequality problems. And number two is the probability like conditional probability, counting independence, and the expectations, variance, etc. Number three is the statistics basics like mean, median, distribution, sampling, simple interference, and ideas. And next comes the logic and puzzle like pattern identification, number puzzles, grid puzzles, and the aha moment logic question. And if you love the reasoning, this examination becomes very enjoyable. Now, follow this structured plan. Start with the NCERT class 11 and 12 mathematics for the strong base. Solve R.D. Sharma and JEE main level maths for the comfort with algebra and calculus. For the probability, use the Sheldon Ross basics for the class 12 probability chapters and practice 8 to 10 previous CMI papers. They also show question patterns perfectly and focus on the puzzles and logic. CMI often asks for the Olympiad style reasoning, and don't chase too many books. Instead, chase clarity and learn to write clean, structured solution for the part B. Now, master the inequalities, conditional probability, the tricks and the calculus basics. These are the consistently appear every year. And to help you crack this elite examination, we offer a CMI data science entrance special course with one-to-one mentoring and small batches and full notes and past paper discussions and the free support for the financially struggling students. Join today and let's get you into CMI. Let's crack this examination together. Join Dr. Shorob's classes today.